happy weekend. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have another Lunarly unboxing. Thank you so much, Lunarly, for sending this to me to review. I do greatly appreciate it. I also want to say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Also, guys, don't forget we have quite a few different giveaways going on. They will all be linked down below in the description. But let's get into the Lunarly box. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about it, and then we will open this box. So Lunarly is the nature-inspired monthly self-care subscription powered by the new moon. So they do put out a new box every time there is a new moon. Sometimes the box has a candle, or sometimes it will have a plant. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. So it says, before every new moon, you'll receive your Lunarly. Inside, you'll find everything you need to set your intentions and grow, like specially curated plants or bespoke candles, wellness products, tools for mindfulness, and more. Now, it is $40 a month. It does have free shipping, which is awesome. And you can save a little bit if you go ahead and you prepay for like 3 months or something. So that will bring the monthly cost down. So let's get in here and see what we got. So this is what you see when you first open it. So I'm thinking this is a candle. They sent it to me before and I got a candle. The plant, I believe, usually comes in like a taller box. But this is where like all of your goodies and stuff will be in this box. And yep, we have a candle in the bottom. So they do package it so it arrives safely. We will get that out. And I can already tell by the name of the candle, this is for the Hunter's Moon. So, what? That smells so good. Like a sneak sniff. A sneak sniff. All right, so here's what you see when you open this box. They do always include a card telling you about the moon. So the Hunter's Moon, it takes place on October 27th, 2019. Ready to get stuff done? The Hunter's Moon is about trading in your procrastination for preparation. Traditionally, hunters use this time to gather as much food as possible before the cold months of winter. This Hunter's Moon, set the intention to chase down whatever will leave your spirit feeling nourished and ready for the days ahead. An intention to inspire, my sights are focused as I make positive preparations for my life and my future. So there is the card. And then it does give us a little pamphlet here that will tell us more about it. And on the back, it goes over the candle. So I guess we'll start with that. So it says Sweet Pursuit, Hunter's Moon candle. So this is what that looks like. And then the back side is just plain black, and the candle itself is black. So this has, let's see. It says, with the Sweet Pursuit candle, you won't have to chase those positive vibes for long. Citrusy sweet scents give the pick-me-up you need to take on to-do list or simply relax and nourish the soul. Light this candle and write down a list of things that you can take care of now to ease your mind later. And it says yuzu for abundance and prosperity, jasmine for good luck and love, fig leaf for hope and bounty. So it's a hand-poured candle for intention setting, 60-hour burn time. And again, it says yuzu, jasmine, and fig leaf. But it just smells so good. Like, y'all, that just smells amazing. Like, so amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, and then you get a box full of other goodies. So let's take a look in here and see. We'll go over everything. All right, so we have here right on top, this guy right here, this is a lavender scented eye pillow. Hunting down your dreams can get tiring, so it's all the more important to get your beauty sleep. Cover your eyes in lavender luxury. This eye pillow filled with flax seeds and lavender essential oil will help you get to sleep and stay asleep and wake up rejuvenated. When you're ready for bed, place the lavender essential oil scented eye pillow over your eyes. Breathe in the soothing aroma of the lavender to help you get to sleep. First of all, it's very, very soft, like super soft. The lavender scent honestly is not overpowering because I'm not a huge fan of lavender. But this, I feel like I could use this. I feel like I could put this on because it's not an overpowering lavender smell. And I just feel like it's so soft and cozy feeling. So I like that. All right. Then we have right here, Little Moon Release Mineral Bath Salts. Handmade in Colorado, this natural mix of mineral salts combines sage, ginger, and lemon essential oils for a revitalizing bath. Add a scoop of these when you're ready to relax and bathe in fresh inspiration. After entering the bath, pour a generous handful of the mineral salts into the water and swirl them around to disperse the calming oils. Inhale and exhale as you feel any tension you're holding ease away. Okay. Handmade in Colorado, 100% natural, plant-friendly, cruelty-free, aromatherapeutic, release, purifying mineral bath. Harness the power of the sun. And it is definitely, it's a small little package, but I'm gonna tell you what, they've got it packed in there for sure. You can kind of see there on the bottom what it looks like, but it is like, almost like vacuum sealed, like it's packed. So they do always give you some sort of crystal gemstone. So this is going to be the Carnelian gemstone. It says, said to stir up a fire in your sense of passion and drive, Carnelian is the perfect gemstone to pair with this month's progress-focused intention. Carry the stone in your purse or pocket so that it's with you wherever you go. If you feel yourself starting to lose confidence or conviction, hold the stone in your hand for a series of deep, activating breaths. Carnelian is your reminder to keep moving forward. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous stone. So there you can see that side. Look at that. It's like so pretty and different. I haven't seen a stone like this before. I like that. I'm gonna put it back in the bag for now so I don't lose it. All right, we have one more item in here. Right here. And this is, let's see, what is this? Lunarly Tapestry. Hang it, place your crystals on it, or use it to set the space when you meditate. However you use this tapestry, it's sure to bring awesomeness to the beauty in your surroundings. We designed this tapestry with blooms and leaves to encourage you to pursue the blossoming areas in your life. To remove wrinkles from packaging, steam your tapestry. No steamer, no problem. Iron your tapestry on low heat. Well, how big is it? Because it feels really thick. Oh, it's very soft. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this thing is like, It's huge. I'm trying to like make sure. Oh my goodness. And then it goes, let's see if I can just do it this way. Keeps going down. Isn't that gorgeous? And then it fades, it just goes down to black. Oh my gosh. That, I did not expect it to be that big. Especially when they said to place your crystals on it. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Okay. So we have this gorgeous tapestry, y'all. I cannot get over the size of this thing. It is beautiful. We have the lavender eye mask that is just so soft. It feels absolutely amazing. The purifying mineral bath salts here. And like I said, it looks like a small package, but they're definitely packed in there. We have our stone or crystal, and of course we have our candle again for the Hunter's Moon for the 27th, which is probably when I'll post this. And it smells fantastic. The last candle I got, I believe, was for the Buck Moon or something, and it smelled fantastic as well. Or no, was it the Sturgeon Moon? I'm not sure. Either way, it smelled amazing. Their candles smell fantastic. They burn amazing. After having a candle prior, I can now definitely tell you that not only do they smell fantastic, they burn fantastically. Like, they're some of the best smelling candles I have actually smelled. So that was the Lunarly for, well, not necessarily October, but for the Hunter's Moon, October 27th. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys, again, are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.